Very good evening, ma'am. Welcome to my channel. After much of your hectic day, ma'am, thank you for giving me time कि मैं आपने मेरे को इस लायक समझा कि मैं आपका थोड़ा टाइम मांग सकता हूँ for the session. You are most welcome, ma'am. You are most welcome to the session.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me over. And
Yes, ma'am.
sorry for rescheduling. I kept saying, no, we'll do it, we'll do it, we'll do it. But then something or the other comes up. But
Yes, ma'am.
finally, आज time मिल गया. So
Yeah,
thank you so much.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my first question to you is, ma'am, आपने मेडिकल एज अ प्रोफेशन क्यों चूज किया, डिस्पाइट कि मैम आप इतनी अच्छी पोएट्री लिखते हो, मैम आप इतने अच्छे राइटर बन जाते।
So honestly, I'll tell you the story. When I was in 11th and 12th, I had
Yes,
no
ma'am.
idea what I wanted to do. And I really
Okay.
don't know. My father was and is my biggest inspiration. So Papa जो बोलते थे, I would like just agree to it instantly.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
he said bio ले लो. So I took bio. I also had
Okay.
maths with me in 11th and 12th.
Okay.
But I wasn't sure if this is what I want to do. There was no such thing. It was very standard, na, ki engineering या doctor.
Doctor. Yeah.
But as you said, I love writing. You know? So
Yeah, ma'am.
when I was in 12th and all the entrance exams, so I wrote my engineering entrance exam. I wrote MBBS entrance exams.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wrote journalism. I got selected in LSR in journalism. I
Yes, ma'am.
even I don't know Hans Raj College. I'm from Delhi basically.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Hans Raj College, I got economics honors also. And
Okay.
I got into engineering, I got into MBBS, I got, got into journalism, I got into economics, and
Okay.
then I was blank कि अब मैं क्या करूँ? So then again I sat with my dad and he said कि see, if you want to listen to me, I've always wanted. So there's so my bua is a doctor, but she's my cousin bua. Apart from that, there was no doctor in our immediate family. So my dad always wanted कि this doctor thing. So so I ended up
Okay.
taking this. But
Yeah.
then I
Mm,
continued to write, and
mm.
I mean, you can do many things at once. So when my son is 7 years old now,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I asked him, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Whenever anybody asks him, so he
Mm.
says, I want to be mama, I want to be a gynecologist, I want to be a
Okay.
pilot, I want to be a scientist, I want to be an astronaut. Then
Yes, ma'am.
people tell him, you can be only one thing. I say, no, you can be many things. Don't limit yourself. जरूरी नहीं है कि
Yes,
तुम
ma'am.
gynecologist होके और कुछ नहीं बन सकते हो. So that's what I feel.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. But मैम आपने OBGY ही क्यों चूज किया? Why only option gynae?
So
मैम,
again, when
yeah.
I was in final year, I again was in a big dilemma. जब internship में थे, जब
Okay.
when we were writing our entrance, उस time पे all India entrance exam होता था.
Mm.
So again, I was very कि क्या लेना. So I had like three top things in my mind. I had
Okay.
psychiatry number one. I
Yes, ma'am.
had opthal number two, and OBG was something which was I always liked OBG also.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, Although a lot of people told me not to take it, I was very keen on taking psychiatry, honestly. But जब
Okay.
मुझे selection हुआ and I was getting all three, um,
Yes, ma'am.
but the problem was with I was getting all three down in Karnataka. So the
Okay.
language problem is one thing which made me not take psychiatry because it's something psychiatry is something if you're not fluent, it becomes very difficult.
Yes,
थोड़ा
ma'am.
बहुत we learn, other subjects we manage. So I learned Kannada, but not enough that you can converse with the
Yes,
patient.
ma'am.
Then between OBG and Ophthal, I ended up taking OBG again because it was something which my parents, my relatives, everybody, my then boyfriend who is now my husband. So he
Okay.
also he he take up gynae. He was taking up surgery the same year, so he said you take up obs and gynae. So
Okay.
that's how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
या मैम कैन यू प्लीज लेट अस नो कि आपका अर्ली चाइल्डहुड वाला पार्ट, मैम आप मैम यू सेड कि आपको सब मिल रहा था, मैम आप शुरुआत से ही इतने पढ़ाकू थे या मैम एक
नहीं मैं हाँ
ट्रिगर
मतलब
होता है?
पढ़ाकू तो थी मैं सच में पढ़ाकू तो थी आई वाज आई टेल यू माय स्टोरी सो आई एम नॉट born in India. I was born in a small country in Africa called Zambia.
ओके.
पापा वहाँ पे he's a mechanical engineer so he went on posting there
यस
and वहीं पे I was born me and my brother and we grew up there only and I came to India when I was in class 7.
मैम.
तो एक तो मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती थी है ना तो
ओके.
हिंदी मैंने क ख ग सीखे क्लास 7 में सो माय हिंदी इज क्वाइट बैड ऑनेस्टली
ओके.
दोस I mean, all my patients think मैं कहीं बाहर से I'm the impression that patients still now also get in the hospital कि ये तो कहीं ना बाहर की डॉक्टर है जो fumbles with Hindi. So
Yes, ma'am.
my childhood has been not here, it's been abroad, and a lot of struggles come when you shift countries and come to India. There was a lot of struggle learning Hindi, making friends. Everything was a big change. So I immersed myself in studying, is
Okay.
one way you can put it. So मैं बहुत nerdy थी, मैं बहुत पढ़ाकू थी, बहुत पढ़ती थी.
Okay.
And also because my dad was like that figure कि ना पापा को नाराज नहीं करना type, so have to
Okay.
do well, have to study well.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's how
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is. Yeah.
And ma'am, coming to college life, ma'am, can you please let me know कि आपने UG and PG कहाँ से किया and how was your life? वो भी पढ़ाकू वाली थी, थोड़ा monotonous या
So
आप भी कुछ फन भी करते थे?
So I नहीं so college में थोड़ा सा I opened up a bit. I did my undergraduation from KMC Manipal. My post graduation also I did from KMC Manipal,
Okay.
and then I worked in KMC Mangalore for 4 years after my post graduation. So I have stayed in Karnataka for 13 years, which is a pretty
Okay.
long time. तो मुझे लगता है मुझे कन्नड़ा probably हिंदी से better.
Okay.
I learned more of Kannada. So it's so during college I was very into literary events because of my fondness for literature, for writing. So I was the chief editor of the college magazine, and I was not that studious. वो एग्जाम से पहले जो पढ़ाई होता था, otherwise we had a nice group of friends. We're still in touch with we're all in touch with each other now.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, it's been I did my MBBS. I joined in 2000, so it's going to be 25 years next year.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
all plan to have a get together very soon.
Nice.
So इतना nerdy नहीं थी मैं, but yes, I knew what was important and when to study and how to study. I always go by a timetable and a checklist. That is what I like. I advise students that always make a timetable, always make a schedule when you wake up in the morning कि मुझे आज ये दिन में ये करना है. I'm going to fit in a bit of extracurricular. I'm also going to fit in a bit of studies. And whatever is taught that day in your lecture theatre, this is for MBBS students, please give
Okay.
it a reading. It will hardly take 15-20 minutes. So it's like a revision. The more you
Yeah.
revise, the more you retain. So वो part बहुत important है कि you have to schedule बनाओ daily. Once or twice a week you can miss the schedule. हो जरूरी नहीं है कि every day you get time to study, but at least 5 days out of 7 days you should have a study time in your
Timetable.
schedule. So have a checklist. तो एक to do हमारे time पे क्या होता था? I used to like buying those diaries which have a checklist. Up to there's so many apps
Yes, ma'am.
where you just have to do your to-do checklist and tick it. And so this keeps you on track. So distractions बहुत होते हैं. I mean, now if you compare to 20 years back when I went to MBBS, I didn't have a phone. Now my daughter has an Insta, my daughter 9 years old, she has an Insta channel. So things
Yes,
have
ma'am.
changed. वो इतने distractions है ना कि it becomes very
Quite tough.
difficult. Yeah. So I feel ना just if you have that schedule, if you have that checklist कि मैंने ये करना था, मैंने ये कर लिया.
Yeah.
So when before you go to sleep, if your checklist is incomplete, ना ये थोड़ा सा guilt, it's like self-inducing guilt in yourself कि मैंने ये नहीं किया था कल मैं I will do it.
Yes,
That's what
ma'am.
I feel it helped me also that though. I mean many years back.
Yes, ma'am.
It helps me today also. Every morning when I go to hospital, मैं तो I write with a pen and paper. So I stick it on my notice board कि आज का ये to do list ये है.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे because I am a practitioner. I am heading the unit of a hospital here. I'm
Yes, ma'am.
also taking classes for cerebellum, as you know, and I'm also now we've launched a new app for postgraduates, Conceptual OBG.
Yes, ma'am.
So teaching is occupies 50% of my day. कुछ ना कुछ content creation में या classes में जाता ही है. And to fit everything in this schedule, it becomes difficult without a checklist.
Yeah. Yeah. Ma'am, I was about to ask, ma'am, how do you create a balance? Ma'am, thank you. आपने पहले ही cover कर दिया वो. And ma'am,
कोई
yeah,
balance नहीं.
yeah. Ma'am, what
So
keeps you
it
so
all depends.
motivated? Okay.
I
Yeah,
feel
ma'am.
na it all depends on how busy you want yourself to be.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब आई फील आई हैव टेकन समटाइम्स आई फील मैंने बहुत कुछ अपने प्लेट पे ले लिया। आई हैव टेकन टू मेनी थिंग्स, देयर सो मच टू डू,
ओके।
सो लिटिल टाइम। कितनी बार मैं सोचती हूँ कि यार 24 आवर से ज्यादा होने चाहिए दिन में, बिकॉज एंड एज अ वुमन ऑनेस्टली व्हेन आई वाज यंगर मुझे आई वाज वेरी दिस थिंग कि men and women are the same. I mean there's no difference, but there's
ओके।
a huge difference after you have get married भी इतना difference नहीं लगा, जब बच्चे हो जाते हैं ना तो बहुत difference लगता है।
यस।
So there are many times when I feel ki I would have probably been maybe around 7, 8 years ahead in my career graph if I had not had kids.
ओके।
So it is, so women do compromise. There is no doubt in it.
यस मैम।
बच्चों को भी time देना पड़ता है because honestly the although my husband does help out a lot, but it's helping out. It is not actually doing it, है ना।
या।
वो टेंशन मुझे ही होता है कि whether their homework is done, whether their कल मंडे टेस्ट है दोनों का, whether their this thing is done, all the स्कूल का जो भी मटेरियल है वो सब रेडी है, वो बैक ऑफ द माइंड में टेंशन चलता रहता है। बट आई हैव अ गुड सपोर्ट सिस्टम, सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, एज आई सेड ना, इट इज how busy you want to be, you are. I have friends who are very chill. They're gynecologists. They just do infertility practice. 10 से 2 बजे ओपीडी होता है इनके प्रोसीजर्स, देन देयर इज नो इमरजेंसी इन इनफर्टिलिटी, एंड दे एंजॉय लाइफ। आई मीन
यस
they
मैम।
party and they go out and they go on holidays and vacations.
यस
So
मैम।
it's all about, I could have chosen that life also. So ऐसा नहीं है कि गायनी में बहुत ही बेकार वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस है। It depends on how much you can at least after a few years. Initial years तो tough होते हैं, senior
यस मैम।
residency तक, maybe a few years later. And I think it's the same for any department, any clinical subject especially. It's the
यस।
same. But एक बार तुम थोड़ा सा ladder पे senior की तरफ जाते हो, then you can decide कि
यस
तुमको
मैम।
कितना बिजी अपने आप को रखना है। Yeah.
यस मैम, जब आपने अभी ये बताया, यू हैव मेड दिस एपिसोड मदर्स डे स्पेशल फाइनली।
Yeah, yeah. So today's, so why I messaged you कि ना कि 9:30 I just got back from home, तो आज मदर्स डे
या।
था तो I took my kids out
यस
uh,
मैम।
so इधर घूमने घूमने के लिए, तो वो भी ना it became more about kids day than mother's day because at the end of it I was exhausted.
यस
But
मैम।
yes, today's Mother's Day, and
या।
yeah, it's very special. I wrote a poem also. I
यस
put it
मैम।
up on my
आई हैव
Insta
रेड दैट
page.
मैम। मैंने पढ़ा है वो
Okay,
अभी।
thank
या।
you.
मैम, व्हाट
Thank
कीप्स
you.
यू सो
Thank you.
मोटिवेटेड मैम? इवन आपकी पोएट्री भी इतनी मोटिवेटिंग होती है। एंड मैम, आप मैम
मैं
इंस्टा
जब
पे भी।
डिप्रेस्ड होती हूँ ना, जब मैं टायर्ड होती हूँ ना, जब
यस
मैं
मैम।
बहुत ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होती हूँ, देन आई राइट। सो
ओके।
पोएट्री इज माय आउटलेट फॉर द जो
एस्केपिज्म।
जब ना, हाँ, यस एग्जैक्टली, दैट
यस।
इज द टाइम आई नथिंग वर्क्स बेटर देन राइटिंग। रीडिंग तो
यस मैम।
मैंने छोड़ दिया, बुक्स पढ़ती थी मैं। आई हैव अ ह्यूज कलेक्शन ऑफ बुक्स इन माय लाइब्रेरी। माय डॉटर सेज मम्मा ये कब पढ़ोगे, क्यों खरीदते रहते हो
ओके।
बुक्स। कभी ना कभी ना that age will also come. Let me just collect them right now. So
ओके।
reading is out, I don't have time. So you have to prioritize. And what motivates me is, I don't know, I just enjoy. This is like, it comes from within. This is like passion for teaching and passion for work. So being a gynecologist is like, every day you see smiles on families and mothers, and wo every day itna matlab it motivates you to do more and more better work. And
यस
when
मैम।
students message me, you're such a good teacher, and the messages they write to me na, some of them are so detailed and so inspiring. मुझे लगता है कि ना कि I am inspiring one person, and if I can do the same to others, it is, I mean, there's no better feeling in this world.
या। या। मैम, यू सेड, यू मेंशन्ड द वर्ड पैशन। मैम, अभी हम यूजी लाइफ में हैं मैम, थिंग्स आर वेरी मच
Yeah,
स्कैटर्ड। मैम, हम कैसे ढूंढे अपना
yeah.
पैशन?
वो आ जाती है, मतलब आई थिंक ना, इन जस्ट डोंट इग्नोर द लिटिल थिंग्स इन लाइफ,
ओके।
कीप योर eyes and ears open, and कुछ ना you will find your way. अभी तुम लोग बहुत छोटे हो, अभी ना लाइफ
ओके।
देखी नहीं है, मतलब आई थिंक ना अभी मतलब it's just started your life, your adult
यस मैम।
life has just started. You have a long way to go. You will all find your own journey. You will figure it out on the way.
यस मैम।
And अभी भी मुझे लगता है I haven't figured it out. Half my life is over. I've crossed 40. मुझे लगता है कि half my life is over. अभी भी मुझे वो thoughts आते हैं कि अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपने लाइफ के साथ। So
Okay.
obviously you guys will also be thinking the same thing now. So
Yes.
it's just enjoy the process. I mean, cherish every memory. College life is one of
Mm.
those 4, 5, 6 years is the best. I mean, amongst अभी तक जितने भी phases होते हैं ना life के, childhood, then high school, then college, then in शुरू का, then postgraduate, then job and all that, marriage, बच्चे. I feel the best time was college. There's nothing better than, and that to undergraduate is the best time. Nothing can beat
Okay.
that.
Yes, मैम।
Yeah.
मैम, जैसे एक टीचर की लाइफ में एक स्टूडेंट का मैम बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, वैसे वैसे ही डॉक्टर की लाइफ में पेशेंट का होता है। तो मैम कोई ऐसा पेशेंट हो जो बहुत मेमोरेबल और बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो, जिसने आपकी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट किया हो, मैम कुड यू प्लीज शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंस?
So I can't honestly, मुझे ऐसे कोई one situation याद नहीं है, but ऐसे
ओके।
बहुत सारे small small कुछ, nothing one big episode like this happened कि वो बहुत inspiring था.
ओके।
But ना जो मुझे याद रहता है honestly were mistakes that I have done.
ओके।
Especially during residency, जो mistakes which have actually affected the patient's life or the baby's life. And वो चीजें मुझे मतलब इतनी they stick in your mind, they stick in your brain, and you feel कि what was I thinking, मैंने ऐसे क्यों होने दिया, and होता है सबके लाइफ में होता है,
यस
won't go into details, but yeah, I feel very they come back in your memory very very often. So I use those as tools for teaching when I to teach my residents कि ये गलती कभी मत करना. So more than those, so those inspire me in a different way. And
मैम।
otherwise, as I said, OBG is such a beautiful branch कि every day when you do a delivery, हम ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब we don't do much in a normal delivery or even a cesarean. It's very routine for us. But for a
यस मैम।
patient, it's a very special moment. And वो
यस मैम।
patient, वो special moment, I mean, it's so nice. It's so happy for the mother and the husband and the family. They're so grateful to you. इतनी मिठाई के डब्बे तो आते ही हैं, but otherwise, genuinely from the heart, जो वो messages भेजते हैं, जो वो so since I've been in private practice, my USP is कि I always click a picture of the mother and baby at birth. That
ओके।
first photo ना,
यस मैम।
वो रॉ वाला जो होता है ना इमोशन मदर का, दैट
यस।
इज लाइक माई आई ऑलवेज गिव दैट टू द मदर, ये तुम
ओके।
कभी मतलब दिस यू शुड एज अ मेमोरी. एंड वो बहुत ही हाँ, सो दैट इज सेल्फ, सो डेली डे टू डे यू गेट दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल इंस्पिरेशंस. तो लोग कहते हैं ना ओबीजी इज लाइक वेरी टॉक्सिक, ओबीजी इज वेरी बहुत काम होता है, बहुत ये
यस
होता है, बट लिटिल लिटिल थिंग्स ना मेक अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस.
यस मैम। एंड मैम, डे टू डे बेसिस पे मैम आप इतने पेशेंट देखते हो, मैम व्हाट आर द कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन इन द मतलब फीमेल्स माइंड रिगार्डिंग दिस, कि ये करने से ये हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ?
ऐसे बहुत मिथ्स आते हैं, ऐसे
ओके।
प्रेगनेंसी में ना नारियल का पानी पीने से बच्चे का कलर फेयर हो जाएगा, या
ओके।
फिर डिलीवरी के आसपास यू हैव लॉट ऑफ घी, नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो जाएगा, या फिर मदर मदर इन लॉज, स्पेशली ना मदर्स एंड मदर इन लॉज बोथ, नॉट ओनली मदर इन लॉज, मदर्स ऑल्सो, वो जो ओल्ड वाइज टेल्स होते हैं, जो मिथ्स होते हैं, वेरी रैम्पेंट इन इन आवर कल्चर.
यस मैम।
तो उसको एकदम से मतलब व्हाट आई डू इज कि एकदम से आउटराइटली वो करते तो पेशेंट नाराज हो जाता है, फैमिली नाराज हो जाती है. ट्राई टू अटैक इट इन अ वेरी वेरी सटल वे. बट so this is what I see. Otherwise, this is what is lot of things are rampant, but nothing which is very detrimental. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि जो बहुत
ओके।
ही detrimental हो.
या
Yeah.
तो मैम, सिंस मैम
Okay.
पीसीओडी इज इंक्रीजिंग टू अ मच
Yes.
एक्सटेंट की,
Yes.
या मैम,
Yes.
व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव?
Yeah, so PCOD is a problem which we are seeing very very commonly,
यस मैम।
and not only so, majority of girls who come with PCOS are on the heavier side. Their BMI is higher, but we also
ओके।
see a lot of lean PCOS, very thin girls with PCOS, which is very surprising, and unka number is also increasing. So it is basically a lifestyle disorder. And this I'm
यस मैम।
speaking from experience because I also have suffered with, not suffered, I would say, but I have had to deal with PCOS in my life also. So if you remain fit, and this is speaking from experience, if you are exercising regularly, if you are on a very clean diet,
Yes, ma'am.
occasional तो ठीक है चलता है, but try to keep your diet clean, try to exercise, and exercise doesn't mean कि you have time की, because MBBS students को कहाँ वैसे ही time बहुत वो है, कहाँ gym
Yes.
जाओगे क्या, but do an extracurricular activity, don't use the lift, use the stairs, small things, है ना, walk, make sure your 10th, everybody has a smartwatch on 10,000 steps, make sure they are done. It's not that difficult to do 10,000 steps, especially if you're college students, है ना, try to walk more than use transport, use the stairs. Small things make a difference.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
lifestyle is very important. Lifestyle is extremely important. 50 to 70% of treatment of PCOS is just lifestyle. उसी से आपको changes नजर आने लग जाएंगे.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, what should be the dietary advice and the exercises a pregnant woman should do, ma'am?
So I feel that pregnant women, it's again a very huge topic, but just
Yes,
very
ma'am.
briefly, can remain healthy. My standard advice, three things मैं बोलती हूँ pregnancy में: avoid बाहर का खाना too much, अगर खा रहे हो तो from a healthy place.
Mm.
Avoid cold drinks,
Okay.
and avoid too much of fried and spicy food.
Okay.
Basically everything in moderation, basically a balanced diet, है ना, and अगर कुछ specific needs है, diabetic है patient or PCOS or something else, then we cater to that. And exercise, what I tell them is, don't start anything new in pregnancy. Suddenly gym, today I had a message of a patient कि ma'am, can I start cycling? She's 20 weeks pregnant. तो मैंने बोला तुमने कभी were you cycling regularly before, or you just want to suddenly start cycling out of the blue? So
Yes,
she's
ma'am.
like, no, I've never cycled before. So I was like, why start now at 20 weeks pregnancy? So don't start anything new during pregnancy. If you've been doing something on a routine, like if you've been jogging routinely, if you've been going to gym routinely, that can be continued, but don't start anything new. That is what my advice is, and that is what is recommended also for
Okay.
pregnant women. Yeah.
Yeah. मैम तो मैम क्लीन डाइट लेनी है और जो एक्सरसाइज करते आ रहे हो वो करना है. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Thank you.
कुछ activity, I think sports is very much encouraged now in medical college. So so I was in the volleyball team of my
Okay.
college. I think something or the other you can pick up, and it does help, but doesn't have to be every day. At least 3 days a week, around 30 to 40 minutes of exercise definitely will help in
Yes.
reducing symptoms by 50%. That is my guarantee.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. मैम नाउ कमिंग टू academics, मैम अभी मैम सेकेंड ईयर और थर्ड ईयर वाले बच्चे जो होते हैं मैम, सिंस ऑप्शन गाइनी
Hmm.
इज अ फाइनल ईयर सब्जेक्ट, तो मैम
Hmm.
वहां पे
Hmm.
वी आर पोस्टेड इन क्लिनिक्स
Yeah.
सेकेंड एंड
Yeah.
थर्ड ईयर में ही. तो मैम वहां
Yeah.
पे वी आर जस्ट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर हम आ जाते हैं, खड़े रहते हैं,
नहीं
तो मैम
समझ
हाउ?
आता.
यस.
It's very difficult to understand. I understand your problem. सबके साथ होता है, हमारे साथ भी हुआ था. So but what I suggest is clinics पे concentrate करो. Again, जो topic आपने clinics में पढ़ा है, for example, if you've seen so basic antenatal history, basic obstetric examination, basic gynae history taking,
Yes.
you should deal with these basics in your fourth and fifth semesters. And when you see cases, for example, you see a case of anemia in pregnancy, read about anemia in pregnancy. Medicine, maybe you'll be reading, pharmacology, maybe you'll be reading, physiology,
Yes,
maybe you'll
ma'am.
be reading. Just add pregnancy to it and see the important points. Or if you have a case of hypertension in pregnancy, there are 10 standard obstetric cases, 10 standard gynae cases which come in the exam. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want, I'll provide you a list of the standard cases that come in the university professional exam. तो वो ही आपने बार बार, so it's just like a revision again and again and again. The theory part, you will get to it when you start theory classes.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
concentrate too much on theory, but whatever case you've seen that day, come back and just read it from whatever wherever you're reading your content from. Again, where to read from content from, I would just like to tell a few points is कि please make it a habit, अगर आप लोग second third year में हो, to read from the book.
Okay.
Platform wala teaching is the next step. Your initial reading should always be from a book. Pick up any book. Many of them are, they're good books. There's Sudatta, I've never read in my MBBS or PG. It's one book
Okay.
which our professors used to just throw out the window. I don't know why. It is a it does give some chapters very, very well. But the one also, now as a faculty, I have Indian author book for obstetrics, and he has a separate book for gynecology. He's a professor in AIIMS. I know him well also. So
Okay.
unka book is very good. So just read, give it a reading. There's no, or there are many other books. There's Lakshmi Shashadri. There is Gaini mein Shaw's hai. There's
Yes, ma'am.
Mundir and Menon in obstetrics. There are many books, and just give it a reading. Just giving a reading without the thought of इसको मुझे रटना है या I have to mug it up. Just give
Okay.
it a reading like a storybook. So you've seen the case in the clinics, you come back and you read the chapter from the book. That will, so the next 2-3 दिन बाद किसी को दोबारा anemia and pregnancy का केस आएगा, it will be like a revision. Will be quickly recapping
Yes, ma'am.
things again. So you just add on to it is what I feel is the best way to do this.
एंड मैम फाइनल ईयर के लिए भी आप थोड़ा सा बताना चाहेंगे मैम, मतलब द थिंग्स आर सिमिलर ओनली?
Yeah, so it's been a long time since I passed out, but I'm in touch with a
यस मैम.
lot of medical students. I've always been in a medical college. I was in after my PG, I was in Nepal for a year in medical college there. Then I was in KMC Mangalore for 4 years. Then I was in Lady Harding Medical College for 2.5 years. And I was in ESI Medical College, Faridabad, as an associate professor for 4.5 years. So I've for the longest time I've been in touch with students.
यस मैम.
And what I feel is, एक तो मेडिकल कॉलेज जहां से पढ़ रहे हो वो बहुत मैटर करता है. The teaching down south was more intense, at least where I studied, was but the faculty were more interested in teaching, I would put it that way. Sadly, in the north, that is not the case. यहाँ पे, although these medical colleges I'm talking about, Lady Harding and all are very famous,
यस मैम.
but I felt there was a huge difference, है ना?
ओके.
So it depends on where you're studying. So that is one thing. Secondly, in final year, so your subjects or NICT, you have time. First, get your basics clear, but
ओके.
also add on to it by starting practicing MCQs. MCQs start. So if you feel your reading and you've done one reading of the chapter, your theoretical knowledge is all right, then add on to it, you do MCQs. And then the best way to do this is have a partner. कोई साथ में हो जो आपके wavelength को match करता हो, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Not just
ओके.
some random person. Somebody who matches your wavelengths and who you can share common timetables with, जो आपके level पे हो. That's important. So you can
Study in a final year, ma'am, what should be the correct approach to read final year?
So as I said, if you have, I mean, if you've been studying regularly, though your book is most important, then you can add to it by adding on the platforms that you have their content, because that is more concise and it moves more at par as to what you need to know for your PG entrance exams.
Okay.
But that should not be your immediate focus. Your immediate focus should be your professional, you should be university exam, should be being good at clinical aspect, because that is what is going to matter a lot in the long run. I still remember my medicine clinics, we had excellent professors. My gynae clinics, you remember them and they last lifelong. ऐसा नहीं है कि you will forget them. So concentrate on your professional university exam. But if you have time, do start attempting the MCQs along with whatever you're reading in final year. And they'll give you good practice for whatever PG entrance or USMLE, whatever you're preparing for. Start practicing the kind of questions that come in the. Do this, as I was saying, is to have a partner, someone with you, somebody who can understand
Yes,
list
ma'am.
and your syllabus, your timetable together, plan it out. So अगर कोई है जो similar wavelength का है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Rather than a group में तो बहुत हो जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
One other person is enough. I had this with one of my friends. She used to finish her studying. We used to come back from the library around 11:30. And then we used to have a cup of tea and Maggie. हम खाते थे साथ में,
Yes,
और
ma'am.
over Maggie we used to do a half an hour, 45 minutes of further discussion. हमारे time में तो it was not when we were studying, PG entrance was not at all there. We studied for PG entrance only during or after internship.
हाँ,
But so we used to just go through over the days topics, because in the morning we used to always say कि आज हमें ये पढ़ना है, ये हमारा target है, ठीक है, and we
yes
were in
ma'am.
the same clinical batch. So we were very so it was very easy for us to coordinate our things. And then she preferred to study in the library with her
Yes ma'am.
boyfriend, and I used to study with another in my room. So then we used to get together after she used to come back. We used to get together over tea and Maggie, half an hour, 45 minutes, and you do the MCQs is or the just a quick recap of the topic with each other. So there's some things which she may have remembered, you would have forgotten, or you can add some extra points. It
Yes
just
ma'am.
re-emphasizes the same thing. तो जितनी बार पढ़ोगे वो चीज, जितनी बार repetition से पढ़ोगे, रिवाइज रिविजन हो जाएगा, because there's so much matter, there's so much content, it evaporates so quickly. तो उसको
Yes ma'am.
रिटेन करने के लिए बार बार डिस्कस करना, बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes ma'am. या मैम द एकेडमिक क्वेश्चंस तो अभी सारे कवर हो गए. एंड मैम कोई अभी मैम व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस फॉर अ स्टूडेंट जो ऑप्शन गायनी एज अ फ्यूचर करियर ब्रांच एस्पायर कर रहा हो, तो व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस?
Okay. Many people now, when I take class, Abhi, I had gone to Hyderabad for a revision class, and I asked, there were some 300 students, and how many want to take up obs and gynae?
ओके.
Only less than five raised their hands. तो कोई लेना ही नहीं चाहता.
यस
तो
मैम.
बहुत, I don't know, it's just the I think that toxicities that he says, bad work-life balance. Only for
यस मैम.
me, I have not had to face those two. I I have not had toxicity, and I have ensured that जहाँ जहाँ मैं senior level पे गई हूँ in different medical colleges, I've tried in my unit,
यस मैम.
toxicity doesn't to it from. जरूरी नहीं है कि toxicity is everywhere. So don't be scared of taking up OBG for toxicity. And
यस मैम.
even if it's there, it's only going to be temporary for 3 years. है ना?
ओके.
The second thing is the work-life balance. It is not that bad. It is the same as pediatrics. It is the same as medicine. It is the same as surgery. You're going to have equal night duties. You're going to be running around in the night and going sleepless nights. So हर जगह है. It's with every subject, especially the clinical ones. So ऐसा नहीं है कि gynae में ही है खराब work life balance. And even afterwards, as I said, the first few years are a struggle, but there is struggle in every department. Which department doesn't have night duties, clinical
यस मैम.
subjects, you know? And there is, although yes, there is stress, because and why gynecologists tend to get more panicky is compared to surgeons. Surgeons are very cool, orthopedicians are very cool. Gynae वालों को क्यों इतना panic रहता है? Because you're dealing with a young woman's life and her
यस मैम.
baby. So you can't really afford any place for mistakes to happen. And that's why most gynecologists ना वो खड़ूस दिखते हैं, या फिर they're very particular about one thing. That's
यस
because we
मैम.
have seen such bad things happen in our career ना,
यस मैम.
कि हमें लगता है कि जहाँ avoidable mistake है वो नहीं करना चाहिए. And sometimes वो it comes out as जैसे गुस्से में होता है या strictness बढ़ जाता है, but it is more about this is the reason. This is the exact reason. We have seen
यस मैम.
really bad things happen. Young mothers die. It's not a nice feeling to be in that situation. We just want to prevent these mistakes from happening.
यस मैम.
So toxicity can be dealt with. Work-life balance can be dealt with. The first few years I said is tough for any
यस मैम.
subject. जैसे ही ऊपर जाओगे, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कीप्स इम्प्रूविंग, है ना? सो
यस मैम.
ये है कि इट इज विद एवरी, एंड एज अ वुमन इट इज मोर टफ. तो वो तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है, वो तो
यस
पार्ट ही
मैम.
छोड़ दो. बट it's not that bad as people make it out to be. I think it's a very nice subject.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. That's it. That were all the questions from my end. And it was
Thank you
nice
so much.
talking to you. And ma'am, after much of
I'm
your
glad
hectic
I
day,
could.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, finally you made it Mother's Day special. And